Hey Ritter family, it's Craig Ritter, CEO of Ritter Insurance Marketing, and I'm here to invite you to the 2025 Senior Market Symposium. It's back again and better than ever.
That's right, Craig. Hi, everyone. My name is Melinda Hack, and I'm the Professional Development Coach here with Ritter Insurance Marketing. Also inviting you to our special event on February 27th.
I'll be giving my annual State of the Senior Market presentation, which includes stats on the just completed annual enrollment period, updates on regulation and legislation, and some forecasts as to what to expect for 2026. And what a year it's been.
By popular demand, we're pairing Craig's annual presentation with our Mastering Nonverbals Communication workshop.
Because just as important as what our clients say are the nonverbal cues, which can help you when you're selling out in the field.
And we'd love to help you master those communication skills.
It's happening at the Crown Plaza, Philadelphia, in King of Prussia.
Thursday, February 27th at 8 a.m.
You don't want to miss this opportunity.
A chance to hone those nonverbal communication skills.
And to hear about exciting changes and updates coming to our industry.
The date again is Thursday, February 27th.
The 2025 Senior Market Symposium. Register today to save your spot, and I'll see you there.